Top print on demand niches episode 3. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, I will be giving you top print on demand niches. At the end of the video, I'll be releasing the names of the people who won last week's giveaway. So if you want to know who won of you, or if you want to know if you were the winner, definitely stick around to the end to find out. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So Vexels Merch Digest number 27 about Christmas, because Christmas is fast approaching, but it also has an interview within. So let me just quickly read it to you. It says, it feels like yesterday when we were writing the November 2019 digest, and although many things have changed, some remain the same. This time we'll take a look at a way to use the not so great year to our advantage, plus an awesome interview that will throw us some light on the German market. Okay, so the merge concept for the late Q4 is the anti-2020 theme or niche. That is going to be a very huge niche, anti-2020. It's safe to say that 2020 has been a year to forget, so we expect many designs talking about an anti-2020 fitting in some way or another. The best thing about it is the flexibility to apply this concept to many different niches and ideas, such as anti-2020, not 2020, it's finally over, I'm rooting for 2021, crushed by 2020, crushing 2021, I survived 2020, good riddance 2020, last year was trash. So these are the various niches which will be very profitable for this Q4. So if you searching for a hot niche, definitely jump into this. So we're going to move ahead with the interview. But before we move into interview, let me just quickly talk about these types of stickers. They're called the style spotlight stickers. And it says we're seeing more and more sticker style designs in particular phone cases. We think this kind of design works great on phone cases as well as on book covers, but it obviously works best on stickers like the ones sold on Redbubbles. Are you selling on platforms other than Merch by Amazon? It's time to diversify. I'm currently selling on all the platforms, Merch by Amazon inclusive. So it's like they said, the best thing to do is to diversify your designs to all the platforms. You don't know who is going to find a design likable on whatever platform. So the best thing for you to do is to spread your designs as far as you can into all the platforms as possible. And the tool that I use to do is one of my favorite tools. I've spoken a lot about it on this channel. It's called Fly Upload, and you just simply put your designs, hit the upload button, and it uploads to all the print on demand platforms, including Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Zazzle, and much more. So if you want to learn more about Fly Upload, click the link in the description and it will take you to the website where you can use Fly Upload for free, where you can try Fly Upload for free. And if you decide to go ahead with the plan, don't forget to use my link and my code Vanessa10 for a 10% discount. Let's move ahead to the interview. So there was something that caught my eye. When he said with print on demand, you have a business that is very easy to learn, quick to start with a few weeks, but it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I repeat, it is not a get-rich-quick scheme, because many people get into print on demand thinking that they are going to make money overnight, although it is possible, but it is very, very unlikely that you're going to make money on the get-go, because there are several tips, tricks that you need to learn and a beginner will not know. So although it's possible that you can make money from the get-go, make huge amounts of money, but the reality is that very few people make huge amounts of money beginning, because they have to make mistakes and learn from them. You can apply those mistakes you've made, or the lessons you've learned from the mistakes you've made, you can apply it and then you scale it. So that's just one of the things I wanted to highlight from the intro of the interview. I didn't want to read all of it to you because I don't want to make the video long. So I just wanted to highlight that it's not a print on demand, it's not a get rich quick scheme. All right, let's move ahead to some questions that I think will be interesting to you. The first question is, we first knew you from selling on Merch by Amazon. Do you sell on other platforms? Yes, I sell on Teasly, Shirty, Spreadshirt, Redbubble, TeePublic, and my own Shopify store. If you were just getting started, what would be the best advice you would give yourself? He says, search yourself for a good mentor, buy the course, book a personal. Yeah, about courses, not every course is worth it. Like on this channel, all the content I give to you is free of charge, and I've been successful with the method I'm using, and I think you'll also be successful with the methods. So I'm not saying you shouldn't buy a course, but you should only buy it if you think it's absolutely necessary. I learned print on demand just by watching free videos, and if you're a little bit tight on money, I don't think you should be investing on courses. I think you should be investing more on tools that will automate your design uploads to all the platforms. So I just wanted to put it out there that you don't have to buy courses if it's not necessary for you. Okay, he says, search yourself for a good mentor, buy the course, book a personal lesson with him if possible, and get yourself on track. This could be your chance to build up a cool business. Work hard and focus on just one thing. I would beg to disagree there. He says, work hard, yes. He says, focus on one thing. I would say it depends on the person. If you have, if you can multitask, because I love multitasking, and if you can multitask, go ahead and spread your wings and focus on 2 or 3 businesses. I'm actually on print on demand and on KDP. So I'm just not focusing on print on demand, I'm also doing direct publishing. So I would say if you can multitask, go ahead and do it. But if you think it's more than your ability, then by all means focus on one thing. He says one platform at a time, maybe Amazon, merge with Amazon, and then KDP after that. Master ads with Facebook and do your stuff with your own shop, or directly with paid traffic and the campaign model over Facebook. So apparently he does Facebook ads. I've never tried Facebook ads because I hear that Facebook closes accounts or ad accounts very, very fast. So it just discouraged me from trying Facebook ads. So guys, tell me what you think about ads. Do you use Facebook ads? Do you use Google ads? Do you use Amazon ads for your print on demand businesses or KDP? Let me know in the comment section what you think about using ads for your print on demand business. The kind of ads that I do is most of the time organic ads, where I post a link to a product, especially if it's a trending product and I have a design that I think will sell. Most of the time, that's the kind of ads that I do. I just take the link and I post the links on multiple discussion threads, and some people come across it and they like the design, they go ahead and purchase it. That's the kind of ad that I do. But I'm trying something new, and if I have success with it, I'm going to make a video about it. Okay, so the next question says, what is the best advice you would give to someone who has been doing merch for a long time with no real success? Ask somebody who has success if he can look at your work. Normally, they can help you to look why it's not working. Like on this channel, I've said it several times. If you need help, if you have a question, just drop it down in the comments and I'll definitely get back to you. He says if this is not working, then maybe merch business isn't for you because doing print on demand isn't for everybody. It has to make fun in the creating new products for people. Next question, which is the best merch advice you've been given? Learn all you can about your target audience. What kind of style do they love? What kind of fonts do they like? What kind of emotions do they have to buy your products? Well, I will say that design emotions is very, very important, especially to your target audience because someone only buy a design if the design invokes emotions. For example, if the person sees the design and it's funny, motivational, check if the design strikes emotions in you, and if it strikes emotion in you, just might strike emotions in your target audience. So take note of that. Next question says, which is the best advice you've figured out for yourself? Make yourself a little bit more independent with more print on demand models. Work with Amazon, Facebook, and Google. Do over the long term organic and paid adverts to your products. So, if Facebook is closing your ad account, you see what I was saying about Facebook closing your ad account? Many people have been complaining about that. Facebook has just closed my ad account and things like that. So, I didn't want to be relying on a service which was not reliable. So that's why most of the time I love using organic traffic. So if Facebook is closing your ad account, you still have money making shirts on Amazon too, which sell organically with or without Amazon ads. Next question, in terms of design, what would you recommend to beginner merchants? And what would you recommend for veterans who want to improve on their business? He says, take a look at a Vexels lifetime account. That is actually what I purchased. It's a great investment for your business because you never have to think about making designs ever again in your life. It is a one-time payment and you have access to all the designs for life, and new designs are created every day. You can request for designs. So what's there not to love about Vexels? He says take a look at the Vexels lifetime account. It will pay off soon, and get yourself good designers, maybe 2 or 3 to boost your business. One that is doing typographic things, one that can do illustrations, and one that mixes styles together. What do you recommend doing after the big holiday sales comes to an end? I am focusing my strategy on long-term niches and designs that sell well over the year. I am no fan of holiday and event selling based designs. I will have to disagree with him there because doing both holiday designs and long-term niches designs never hurt anybody. I'll advise that if a trend like a holiday season trend comes up, jump into it. But you should be doing both of holiday season designs as well as long-term niches design. So when the holiday comes and goes, your long-term niches design will still be available. So I'll have to disagree with him there. Next question, anything else you'd like to share with your merch community? He says, keep focused, give yourself time. Rome is not built overnight. If you can do 100 euros with print on demand, you can do 100,000 euros and much more. Kobe Bryant has done well over 14,000 shots, so in print on demand is the same as basketball. So with that being said, let's move into the December niche opportunity dates. The first is the Make a Gift Day is on December 3rd. On December 5th is International Ninjas Day. December 8th, Brownie Day. December 11th, Mountain Day. December 14th, Monkey Day. December 18th, Bake Cookies Day. December 20th, Games Day. December 25th, Pumpkin Pie Day. December 27th, Fruit Cake Day. December 30th, Baking Day. So, here are the winners for our last week's giveaway: Rachel Watson and Jeremy Amuro. Congratulations, and contact me to claim your prize. If you'd like to be considered for our next week's giveaway, on the first link in the description and enter the giveaway. So if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about print on demand, merch and print on demand KDP, definitely subscribe and hit the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release new videos. With that being said, see you on the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.